G'day guys, Matt from Couple of Cities here. I'm just going to walk you through one of the little tricks that we use to help make the return for our hosts that little bit more of a wow factor. We take their towels from being bunched up, sometimes nicely folded, to a tight little roll here, hotel style. So I'm going to show you how to get from that to that. And this is really quite simple. All you need to do is just get the towel and fold it in half like you normally would, like that. And next, place it onto a flat surface. What you want to do is make sure that the scrappy ends, these bits here, not the middle fold, are on the top. Just bring one part over to roughly the middle, the other part over to the side. So you've got a shape that looks a bit like that. Now the trick is to keep this part all together. You want to flip this over straight away like that. Okay. So you can see here it's a little bit offset, but that's okay. I'm going to start from rolling from this end here. So what I'm going to do is just roll this up, nice and tight. And this is where the trick comes in. You get to the end here, you'll have a little tail. See how that's a little bit off here? So now what I need to do is just come back out and start again with where my fold is, because that's too far over. I've got to get it closer to the middle. Right? So let's give this another shot. From one point there to one point there. Okay, you can see now it's closer to the middle. Bring it over. I'm going to roll from the other end this time because I want to show you how it approaches. So again, these are the scrappy bits. I don't want them visible. I want to hide them. It's just all those uneven little parts of the towel. Just roll it up nice and tight. And you've got your tail here. What you want to do is you want to tuck that tail inside. Tuck it in there, right? And that, I could probably do a better job of that because that's not a very good fold. Tuck that in there a bit tighter. Smooth that over. And then we've got two nicely round rolled up towels. Just sort them out whichever way you want to make them look good inside the cupboard, so that when your hosts come home, it's just a little bit of something different, a bit of wow. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it looks nicer than being thrown in the drawer.